So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. Don't worry, we're not actually going to reset the PC. Instead, under advanced startup, you want to select restart now. Wait for this to load, which will now take us to here. And now once we're on this, you want to select troubleshoot, advanced options, and then command prompt. And now once we're here, you want to type in mbr2gpt.exe space /convert and then click on enter. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, we can now close out this. For the next step, you want to go into your BIOS. So now I'm going to turn off my computer. On your BIOS, you want to enable secure boot and you want to make your boot mode UEFI. So now my laptop is currently turned off. I'm going to go into the BIOS. In my case on my laptop, I need to press F2 on my keyboard as it's turning on. So now I'm going to turn on my laptop and then press F2 as it's turning on. Just keep pressing this. But in your case, you might need to keep on pressing on delete, depending on your laptop. It turns out that for my laptop, I need to actually hold the F2 key. So I'm going to turn my laptop on and then hold F2 as it's turning on. And I'm now here in my BIOS. So you want to go into your BIOS. We need to enable secure boot and make our boot mode UEFI. Now, it's going to look different for all of us because we're all using different motherboards, but the steps are going to be pretty similar. In my case, I'm going to go to advanced settings. First, I'm going to enable secure boot. So in my case, I need to go to the security tab. Again, it might look different for your motherboard, but you can search up on Google or something how to do it on your motherboard. So now I'm going to go to secure boot. And I already have it enabled. So you want to enable secure boot. Next, you want to make your boot mode UEFI. So in your case, just go to the boot tab. And then just go through the options and you want to enable UEFI if you can find it. You may need to go to a different tab as well. It might not be under boot, it could be under something else. So again, I'm going to put it on screen right now, what you need to do for your motherboard. You can search up online. Secure boot enabled, and you want to make your boot mode UEFI. Once you do all of that, you can now save and exit. You want to save your changes. Go back into Windows and then the problem should be fixed.